Hi, in this video I want to show you how to add stitches to the side of the Tunisian crochet fabric that is worked horizontally like this. So you add the stitches by working into the first stitch of the row, and you can do this to change colors for a project like this hat, for example, or to add ribbing to a sleeve, or to add a border all around. This edge is a bit different from the other edge. So when you pick up stitches in it, you have to take into account this which we call the third loop. I will demonstrate using this piece. You have a tutorial on the channel on how to make this kind of lace. So when you want to attach new yarn to the side of the project, you can make a slip knot, put it on the hook, and tighten it, and then go to the first row where you want to attach your border or your ribbing, and then insert the hook behind the two vertical bars here, and then behind the third bar, the third loop here, and do a slip stitch to just secure this. Then you make your edge as wide as you like. I will make 3 chains and 3 simple stitches by picking up loops in the back bumps of the chains. And for the first row, we insert the hook in the same space where we did the first slip stitch. We pick up a loop and then do a short row return pass by doing yarn over pull through 2. Then we make the second row in the edge here. And to anchor the second row on the edge, we insert the hook behind these 2 vertical bars, but also behind the third loop. Pick up a loop and then do the short row return pass. This way you won't have a hole here on the edge. If I were to ignore the third loop, you can see just inserting the hook behind the 2 vertical bars here and doing the return pass, you can see there's a big hole. So this is how you attach a new section to the beginning of the row of a Tunisian crochet project. If you want to know how to make ribbing, I have a tutorial on the channel for that. And if you want to make an elf hat like this, there's a free pattern on the blog. So I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new tutorial. Bye!